Hello, everyone. It's Toronto's Doo Wop Music Guy. I'm here in Belleville, Ontario, and the snow is continuing. Um, we've had snow every day, and not a huge amount, but it's starting to pile up now. It accumulates very quickly. Um, it's hard to see in places. The visibility is very low. It's also cloudy. You can see the church steeple in the background there in the foreground, and I'm just peering down the street from up on high from the third floor, and they haven't plowed today yet. That's just the snow pounded down by the cars. They did a little bit of the main street. You can see people in the distance there trying to dig out. You can see on the roof quite a bit of snow there. You don't really get snow removal here. I think we call it displacement because they just pile it up, and if it keeps snowing, it'll be like several feet high, and it just sits there until it melts. Be nice if we had some of it removed at times, but it does certainly make it difficult, as you can see, if someone's in a wheelchair or accessibility device or mobility device. Uh, but that's a problem every town has with snow removal or snow displacement or whatever you want to call it. We do have pretty big lawns here, which allows for a road uh, when you clear the snow from your driveway or the sidewalk. You've got a lawn to put it on at least, which helps somewhat. Anyways, this is Toronto's Doo Wop Music Guy, Kevin and Janet. Please subscribe to our channel. And this is Belleville, Ontario, and it is December 10th today. Wow, just 15 days to Christmas. I think it's going to be a white Christmas. I don't think the stuff is going to melt by then, I can tell you that. And anyways, please tune in to Toronto's Doo Wop Music Guy, and we'll keep you updated with the weather.